This camper van is the Dethleffs Globetrail 4-person camper van on a Fiat Ducato, 599 centimeters long by 205. I said 4, that's correct, because we have sleeping for 4 at the back here. Oh, actually there's only 2 sleeping for 2. 2 are in this bed and 2 are in this bed here. This bed is moved to the front and it's assembled there to make an additional double bed. Above the back here we've got storage which goes all the way down, and do note this rather nice feature. It's all continuous, and that's something I have been arguing for a couple of years at least. We've got a window on one side, 2 windows at the back. Here we've got this exceptional toilet for a vehicle of this size. You can see how cold it is here at the moment. Well, the sun's quite bright with it's all steamed, the mirror's all steamed up. And over here we've got a sink and 2 burners, but it also comes with an additional bit of preparation space there. Under here we've got storage, and here is the fridge. So as I said, you make the bed from this, but in this video I'm not actually going to have time to be able to do that. We've got storage also around here and up here as well. Now, a van like this, you're looking around 55,000 euros approximately. If you'd like to have more information, there will be a longer video on it. And so what I'm now going to do is, though, I'll take it to the back, show you the storage around here, and so you've got more additional storage here. Very nice feature here that this comes out, this comes out, this is supposed to come out, and it doesn't. Take the whole, do the whole